at the HobbyTown swap meet right now. Me and my roommates got our stuff set up. I've already sold a few little things. Good, good. Don, you might be interested in that. Oh, did I knock that off? I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Wind probably blew it off,
yeah.
And prices on all this stuff are negotiable.
I mean, that's not too bad. I know that was something you was looking at.
Got extra that thing underneath it. It's got 6 batteries, and 2. It's got the set of tires and wheels that's on it, and I think there's 2 more in that little box.
Yeah, I'm making my rounds again.
Yeah, I'm about to keep going.
Should have got this little crawler course in the trailer.
Go for it. That's right across the street.
So,
No, we're good. Is that a 24 scale or a 32?
That's a 24.
That's all that post.
Anywhere we can find a spot to set it up, I'm happy to have a cross session.
Now that I know who you are on Facebook, I'll definitely reach out for you. Start planning some stuff.
that's cool. Morning. Are you gonna get loaches for sale?
Which one you want? You need a laser nut.
Yeah, I need a laser nut, yeah.
Let me go look in the truck. No.
Yeah, I'm not even really sure how you had it set up there. When all the
That's a good looking
chassis
paint
down
job.
here and he's got this one hanging out down here, I don't know what to do.
Cool NASCAR bodies, Trans Am body. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. How's it going? Everything must go. Yeah, I'm the same way.
Oh.
Okay, done. Selling that. It's cheap.
How's it going?
Recording.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of us around here.
One guy had like a brass knuckle thing holding his
Oh,
camera.
really?
Yeah. Like, man, don't mess with his recording.
Well, I got a YouTube channel, so.
Oh, okay.
Nice paint job. That's cool. How's it going, guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. I think I've seen this one somewhere before. Hello.
And
Never find those in stock.
SR28s and
You got them at that deep stock.
yeah.
And if you just like
That's what I'm gonna do. That's me calling this stuff. Text me with my name on it. Toby?
and I'll use this.
Alright, well, yeah,
I'll
you
probably
do.
use this.
There you go, yeah.
The wheels and tires.
Yeah, man, that's been.
I wouldn't go to race. Well, I already saw it. I mean, it's actually it's ready for race. But they're going to be fast.
Yeah, that's, I'm told that.
It was good talking to you, man.
That's cool. Well, day's winding down. I'm down to the last couple of cars. My roommate's down to a few. There's the Snap-on truck.
How quiet it is?
Yeah.
Because I just rebuilt the axles on the transmission.
Oh, did you?
Because I took it to Beach Creek and I wrecked that sucker.
Did you really?
Yeah, mud. Dude, I took the wheels and tires apart and I was just gushing mud out of the insert. So we've got printed inserts.
It's so cool looking too, man. So cool looking.
Take nothing home for mine?
Here's Max's table. What's up, Max? Hope to see a future YouTube channel from him. That was a whole lot of fun today. We had a great time out there, met a lot of great people. Even got to see Mark Santa Maria out there. Never really got to talk to him, but he did swing by my table. I think he shot video footage of my little drift car I had out there, so you'll probably see that in his upcoming video of the swap meet. But we really had a great time. I got a couple of cool cars too. I actually got me the Mini Max for a good price, and I also found the Tamiya Wild one for a really good price too. So I'm very happy with that. And sorry about I rushed through a lot of these, you know, people's areas. I was looking for stuff, but I didn't want to leave my roommate alone too long at my table and everything else. So I just kind of rushed through everything. And next time I do this, I'll take more time and slow down a little bit looking at these tables, because there's a lot of good stuff out there. And going back and editing this video also, it cracks me up. I'm starting to look at the videos like, oh man, I didn't see that when I was, you know, filming it. I wanted that, you know. So, oh well, lessons learned. But next time I'll do a better job, take my time at it. Anyway, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.